Hello, my name is Lynn Gillespie, and this week on the High Performance Garden Show Nuggets, we share with you how to plant your Determinate tomatoes to get a big harvest. Here's a clip from the show. So we're going to put in, this is Marglobe tomato, this is a Determinate plant, and these are going to come up. We're going to let them bush right up over the trellis here. We're not going to prune them at all. They're going to put on one big or two big harvests of tomatoes, so they're going to flesh through, and then they're going to be done. Now, the reason that these tomato plants are good for some people is they have a really short season and they want that big flush, or they're going to be canning and they want a lot of tomatoes at once, or they're growing in a pot on the patio and they don't have room for a trellis or anything like that. So the bushy tomatoes work really well for that. So we'll have the indeterminate tomatoes at the other end. These will be the Determinate tomatoes at this end, and we're going to plant them the same way. So we're just going to take these, we're going to lay this down in my trench. In the bottom of my trench is a little bit of fertilizer and some compost. There's about a 1/4 inch of compost or so. So that's kind of the first feeding for these guys. And we're only going to put 12 plants in this section as opposed to 16, because this section is, or these plants, they're going to be a little more dense, and that's why they're in a garden on their own, so they can spill up over the edges and just go a little bit wild. So we'll just let them go a little bit wild. All right, so we're just going to put 12 in here. So 3 on this side, 3 on that side, and 3 on the other side. Lay them down. They're going to root all the way along the stem, and so that's going to give us a little deeper root system for these plants. I'll just bury this up. And these they're laying sideways today, but next week when you guys take a look at them, they're going to be standing straight up. So that'll be just fine. All right, so there we are, 3 on this side. I'm going to go ahead and put the rest of the tomato plants in. Alrighty, all 12 tomatoes are in. We're just going to go ahead and give this a soak. We want to get all the air bubbles away from the roots, because when you disturb the soil, you create air pockets in there. And we get these soaked down so that soil gets nice and tight around the root ball. And then we will protect them from frost and sun for a few days, and they should do real well. This clip is from the High Performance Garden Show Year 9, Week 9. And if you'd like to follow these tomato plants through the rest of their season, you want to go ahead and enroll in the show. The show is free, it's online, and you can enroll on our website at thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show.